Welcome. Today I'm going to show you a quick step-by-step way to copy a group invite link on Messenger, updated for the latest app design. If you're trying to share a group with friends or teammates, this method keeps things simple and fast. First, open the Messenger app on your device and sign in if needed. Once you're inside, locate the group you want to share. Tap and hold the group chat icon or tile until a few options appear. This is the moment you'll access the group settings more directly without opening the full chat. Next, tap on the group's name at the top of the screen. This opens the group details panel where you can manage various aspects of the chat. You'll see information like the group members, description, and different sharing options. The layout is streamlined to guide you toward the essential controls. Look for the invitation link option within the group details. It's typically labeled clearly as an invitation link or similar phrasing. Tap on invitation link to reveal the available sharing method for the group. This is a doorway to getting a link you can drop into another app or message. Now you'll see an option to copy. Tap copy to copy the group invite link to your device's clipboard. With the link copied, you can paste it anywhere, a text message, email, or another chat app. It's a quick, seamless way to bring new members into the conversation without needing to add them one by one. A couple of quick tips to make this even smoother. If you don't see the invitation link right away, well, double check you're in the right group and that you're using the latest Messenger update. Sometimes the settings live in slightly different spots after app updates, but the path usually remains similar. Group name, invitation link, then copy. If you ever share an older link, remember that some groups may have privacy settings that affect access or expiration, so revisit the link if you run into access issues. That's all there is to it. With these few taps, you can generate and copy a Messenger group invite link in seconds, making it easier to bring people into your conversations without friction. If you found this quick guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit.